So hello participants, I welcome you all to the final session, which is our valedictory function for this day 5 of our FDP, which was on the recent advances in payment analysis, design and evaluation. So like we have reached to the end of our FDP, and it was a very pleasant experience with all the participants, with all the volunteers, which are my PhD students, and with all the guest speakers also. So now, first again, we started our FDP by taking the blessings of the Lord Ganesha. Now now I will thank first God for letting this FDP go smoothly, because this was my first attempt to arrange this FDP, and by God's grace, most of the things went well. So thank God for that. Now I'll be thanking. I have a long list of the uh, person whom I want to thank, as like so many people have helped me organizing this. So first, again, I would like to start this vote of thank by thanking our respected director, Professor Shantanu Chaudhary, who we are a very new department here. So Professor Shantanu Chaudhary is like every director is a mentor, but he's a more like personal mentor to us. So because here we are a new department and all our faculties are very new here, so we are learning. So our director takes special interest in our department, and he guides us in every way. So I would like to thank him for all his guidance and all his support. And he also, despite he was very busy on that first day when he came to that inauguration function, and despite all that thing, he came for the inauguration function. So thank you, sir, for that. Then I would like to thank our HOD, Dr. Ranju Mohan. So she's also from the transportation engineering, and she was there in the inaugural function. You guys must have seen her. So she's also very supportive, and not even once she said no to anything. She's 100% supportive in all those, on whatever things I ask her for. And then I thank all my faculty members also, who helps me in every way. Whatever I asked for this FDP, they have helped me in that. Now I'll be thanking all our gracious speakers who have accepted our offer, despite some of them were very busy. They didn't have time, but still they accepted our offer, and they delivered some very wonderful lectures. And then they then they answered the queries also very well. So I am really thankful for that to all the gracious speakers. Now I would like to thank my PhD scholars, Mr. Sandeep and Mr. Mohit, who have worked tirelessly behind the like curtains. So in all the things they were involved, they were helping me like tirelessly throughout the process. So I would like to thank them also for helping me in such a way. Now I have some more people to thank to. First, thank see all the speakers. I'm thankful to all the speakers, but I'm I'll say I am a little bit more biased towards Dr. Nikhil Sabu. So he's like my mentor from my PhD days. So throughout the planning and managing this FDP, he was always there, one call away. Whenever I called him, he helped me. So initially he was, when we were planning, so he was throughout there in the process. And so I thank him so much for his constant support, motivation, and his inspiration also to me. So thank him for that. Second, I would like to thank my very good, very close friend, Dr. Ankit Kathuria, HOD, Civil Engineering Department, IIT Jammu. So he also helped me throughout this process. So whenever I had some doubt regarding some process, how will I manage this or that? So he's also one call away. Whenever I can call him, like he's literally my 4 a.m. friend. So I can call him anytime. So I thank him like by the bottom of my heart for helping me throughout this process. Then my another very good friend, Dr. Udit Jain, who helped me with some technical things related to this WebEx. So because I was very new to the WebEx, so scheduling these meetings, transferring the rights to the speakers and all those things. So he helped me with that. So I am really thankful for that. I am really thankful to Dr. Udit Jain, Assistant Professor, Civil Engineering Department, VNIT Nagpur. And finally, I am very thankful to all our participants who, like, I was not expecting when I applied for this FDP, I was not expecting this kind of response. I was thinking that maybe these 200 seats will not be filled completely. But to my surprise, those seats were filled like 15 days earlier. And after that also, I received so many requests to like accommodate those people in this FDP. And I received some requests from the foreign countries also, but foreign candidates are not allowed, so I could not include them. Then I told them, okay, because the registration process is not from my side, it is totally handled from AICT people from their website, and they do not allow to expand the number of candidates beyond 200. So I told them that I cannot include them in the registered set of participants, but I can share this link with them and they can participate. But since they are not registered, they will not get any certificate. And to my surprise, some of the people agreed to that also, and they have attended all our sessions. So I'm apart from that, you guys have been a very good audience, very good participation. You have said very interactive sessions. There were some of the sessions were very interactive. Whatever doubts were there, you cleared it with the our honorable speakers. So I'm really thankful to all of you also. So that's all I would like to say from my side as far as the vote of thanks goes. Now, if any participant or any other person wants to speak or wants to give us some feedback regarding the feedback also, you can share the feedback regarding this course on the Atal website. There you will get the options. And apart from that, also for our internal review, because I want to know, okay, what are the things which we can improve for the next FDP. I'll be I'll be sharing one feedback form to you guys. So please share your honest feedback. Okay, what are the things that you felt can be improved? So that I'll be sharing in 1 or 2 days. And apart from that also, and regarding your this certificate, many people are asking, so I'll be sharing all the documents. I'll be submitting all the documents to the Atal website, and most probably by the end of the next week, or maybe by the week after the next week, you will get your certificates. Okay, so email IDs, as I told you guys, that like some people are saying about the presentations. So I have I requested all our speakers to share their presentations, but whoever has shared with us, I have shared with you guys. So as soon as I received the presentations of all the other speakers also, I'll share it with you guys. And regarding this video link, that I'll be sharing by next week. And yeah, that's all I think from my side. And if you have any other query, any other things, you can always write to me and I'll be happy to solve your queries. Okay, so now if any participants wants to speak, I'll unmute you guys. You just raise your hand. I'll unmute you and you guys can share your experience or you guys can share your feedback with us. Yeah, I would like to hear some like honest feedback about this program. Okay, some of the sessions could be like topics could be different or like whatever you feel like, so that we can work on that. Or you want some other you wanted some other topics, that kind of things also. If you guys felt that also, you guys can write to me directly on the email also. And if that is not also like if you guys are not doing it, I'll share one feedback form on here also, you can share. So I'm really interested in like knowing whether you guys really like this FDP, or what are the things we can change when we are doing our next FDP. Yeah, because nothing is perfect. So I know there were some mistakes from my side also. Like I know those mistakes. So maybe from the next time I'll correct it, but I want to hear it from you guys also. Maybe you guys notice some things that I didn't notice. Anyone wants to say anything? They can raise their hand and I'll unmute. Okay, Amrita, I can see the hand of Amrita. Amrita, I have sent you unmute request, so you can unmute yourself and.
Good afternoon, all. I am Amrita Joshi. I am a research scholar from SVNIT Surat. First of all, I would like to thank Sir and all the organizers uh, for organizing such a nice FDP, focusing on all the aspects of payment design, analysis, and evaluation. Most of the topics were very much important, but most of the times they are untouched, as I mentioned before. So such parameters also were considered while sharing the experience by different presenters. Only one thing, sir, I would like to add, or I would like to mention, if
Yeah, please.
one of the topics could have been related to pavement materials, considering the base and sub-base, cement treated bases and sub bases, if that was there, it would have been more value addition. But otherwise it was a very good FDP, and it was a value addition, especially for research scholars like me. So this is going to help me a lot for writing the papers and as well as my thesis. So this will be a great value addition. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Amrita. I also felt like while because I am also a very young researcher at the moment, so I was also like attending all these sessions like dedicatedly. So I also thought, okay, yeah, whatever the points you told, yeah, those type of like topics can be like covered maybe next time. Next time when we will be arranging, we will be focusing on those topics like. Yeah, maybe next time I'll be focusing more on the construction side and like you as you told granular layers and CTB and those kind of things. So I definitely will take care of this suggestion when I am planning for the next FTP. Thank you, Amrita, for your kind words. Any other participant? Yeah, so I'm reading all your comments in the chat box, and thank you for all your like kind words and good wishes. Thank you so much for that. So okay, I can't see any other like okay, Jayant, I can see the raised hand of Jayant. Jayant, I have sent you a mute request, so you can unmute yourself and
Good afternoon, sir.
good afternoon, Jayant.
I want to thank first Bhupender sir and IT Jodhpur team and all the volunteers who were behind this organizing this FDP program. It was very well organized. The speakers were from all the domains of payment design, payment materials, and everything was well covered. The best thing was everything went on time and none of the sessions were delayed. In fact, some sessions were extended, so we got more opportunity to learn from the expert speakers. And like I'm privileged to get this opportunity from IT.
Jayant, I can like your voice is gone. Like at the moment, we cannot hear you. Maybe some network problem is there.
Hello.
Yeah, Jayant. Now we
Yeah,
can hear you.
yeah. Thank you so much, IT Jodhpur team, to give me this opportunity to attend this FTB and enhance my knowledge. Thank you
Uh,
so much.
thank thank you for your kind words, Jayant. Thank you so much. Thank you, Shoaib, for your comments. Yeah. From the next time, yeah, this cost analysis is also a very important thing. So maybe, yeah, these kind of comments are like really valuable feedback is really valuable, so that when we are planning our next FDP, I can include these kind of topics also. Okay, so yeah, thank you, Shoaib, for your suggestion. I can see hand. Okay, Amrita and Jayant, I think you guys have not lowered your hand. Okay, so that is already there. Okay, so now any other participant? Yeah, from the Shoaib we have got one more water resistant payment. Okay. Any other participants have any suggestions or anything he wants to share with us? He or she? Okay, I can see the hand of Abhinava. Okay. Yes, I sent you unmute request. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you so much, Bhupendra sir, and especially all the members of who have given their valuable speech here in IIT Jodhpur. Actually, the situation here is not still good. More amount of devastation. I think it will be coming. So, in spite of that, I'm able to join these important sessions. Without your help, Bhupendra sir, I would not have been possible to join. Thank you so much, sir, for cooperating with me, and thanks to all the speakers and to the whole team of IIT Jodhpur. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Abhinava, for your like kind words. And yeah, like that's all I could do, being a like organizer of this. So I could like that was my basic duty to help all the participants with the problems that they are having.
So one thing I would like to recommend, sir, I
Yeah,
would
yeah,
suggest
please.
if there could be a FDP related to concrete technology or something like that, in the future, if you could look into this matter. Sir.
Okay, okay, concrete technology. Yeah. Yeah, definitely we will be like discussing it with my other colleagues here, and maybe next time, yeah, maybe something related to concrete technology we will include.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Abhinav. Thank you, Anil, for your like for the appreciation. And any other participants, if they want to share their experience or like they want to give some like suggestions, they can raise your. Yeah. Amrita is saying geotechnical aspects. Yeah, these kind of things. Yeah, I am also thinking because at the moment, whatever I covered, they were very conventional topics. So I am thinking about, yeah, in the next FDP, I'll share some of the topics which are not generally shared, like which are not generally covered in FDPs and workshops. So yeah, geotechnical aspects also we can look at it. Yeah, Shoaib's one more suggestion is there that plastic in payments can be included. Yeah. Yeah, because yeah, yeah, as the Furqan also said and Shoaib is also saying, for our department also our vision and mission includes that like sustainability and your smart infrastructure. So topics like use of the waste material like plastic or waste aggregates or some kind of other products, and like these cool payments and quiet payments and these kind of things are these are very important to us also because our department's vision and mission is like that. You like smart infrastructure and sustainable infrastructure, green infrastructure. So definitely we will have I will have this discussion with my colleagues and maybe we will come up with some like FDP in which we will be covering all these topics. Okay, reliability analysis of yeah, definitely. Like as you said, this is the geotechnical structure, Rashid. So here at the moment, Dr. Pradeep Damala, he works on the geotechnical thing. So I'll be sharing this suggestion to him. So maybe he'll be planning something related to the reliability analysis of geotechnical structures. Yeah, definitely. Thank you for your suggestion. So guys, I think now it's time for us to conclude our this FDP. So again, thank you so much for all your participation and for all your kind words. So thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you.